This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Place the watch face down on a soft, clean surface to protect the screen. Turn off the watch or lock it to prevent accidental taps during removal. Work with clean, dry hands and ensure good lighting for visibility. Inspect the strap connection area for dust, grit, or damage before you begin. Identify the strap release buttons on either side of the watch lugs. Gather any tools only if the strap is stuck, and do not force parts. Press the strap release button and slide the strap gently sideways to remove. If the strap is stuck, press and hold the release for 1 second while sliding. Do not bend the strap more than 90 degrees or apply excessive force. Use your thumb to hold the release and your other hand to guide the band out. For Velcro or loop bands, fold the end back to free the connector before sliding. If debris prevents movement, clean the slot gently and try again. Wipe the watch slot and strap connector with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl 70%. Align the new or clean strap and slide it in until you hear or feel a click. Confirm the strap is secure by tugging gently and checking both sides for locks. Avoid lubricants or household cleaners that can damage seals and sensors. If the strap still fails to lock, inspect for bent rails or damaged connectors and replace the strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.